Kirby,
Yeah?
I have a problem.
What is it?
I'm psychic,
Okay, that's perfectly normal.
and I can see into the future.
Okay, so what's gonna happen?
An assortment of large animals are going to cross the screen.
That is really, really weird.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay. That was weird.
That was normal. Normal every day. That happens every day. You know, that just happened in my bedroom last night, you know. So, last night, actually, I seen a big pig crossing around the... There it is again!
Oh my god.
It's so weird. I'm so sad. Yes, you're crying. Feel my pain.
Oh, okay.
This is actually
So
really
just
weird.
activities make me feel calm.
I'm gonna dance, but... Okay, so... I don't think there'll be any more, because that was all that was in my dream.
Meow. 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 Oh my god.
That was
weird.
not normal. Okay, let's walk away. Walk away, walk.
I'm scared.
I'm feeling something else is coming. Ah, it feels like... The juice? The juice? What the juice? What the juice? Victory's mine. The juice?